Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to create a customer using Magento 2 API. First, generate access token using your admin username and password. Create new post request and enter your store URL, along with this endpoint. Enter your Magento admin username and password. Then create a new request using this endpoint. Copy the token and paste in the authorization section as bearer token. You can use our sample code in the description to create your account. Now verify new account by logging in the store website. Click the account name in the upper right corner, then select My Account. Bihixa. Connecting applications, automating processes,